Welcome back to the channel. I'm James from Heatwave Performance, and today is a less about performance and more about survival, because our project car, the Tesla Model S 85, has developed a rather sweaty and hot problem. That's right, the air conditioning is completely kaput. And with the UK pretending to be Spain with temperatures of like 34, 35 degrees, this has turned into the UK's largest mobile sauna. And it's brutal. So what we're going to do is we're going to head down to our local EV specialist, DB Car Doctors. We're going to take a look, see whether it's a simple fix or more complicated fix. I've got my fingers crossed for simple fix, because we've got some road trips coming up and we need that aircon desperately. So let's jump in the car and head down to the garage. Right, so we just arrived here at DB Car Doctor Limited in Cambridgeshire, and yeah, I think we got to the right place. As soon as you rock up, we've got a GTE, we've got a Tesla Model S P85D, so the faster version of ours, and a lovely BMW i3. So I think we're in good hands today. We're going to go and chat to the owner, Danny, and see what's up. Okay, so we're here now at DB Car Doctor Limited, and I'm here with the owner himself.
The owner, yeah.
Danny. Nice to meet you, Danny.
And you?
Right,
Nice to meet
so
you.
tell me, what we're going to do? We need this aircon fixed because it is like a sauna.
It's
in
a
there.
sauna.
It's an absolute sauna. 42 degrees, I think I was in.
Blimey, it'll be
yesterday.
even more at the weekend.
Yes, so
Proper sauna.
so what we're going to do? How are we going to fix this?
So the first thing we're going to do, we want to know whether the air conditioning system has got any gas left. It might well be that it's not working because you know, it's never been serviced. That's what we hope for, right? Pull the stuff out from under the trunk. We're going to access the air conditioning ports. We'll put the machine on it. We'll see what our gauges are going to tell us, and I'm hoping that we're going to see some sort of readings. That's what I really want to see, so we can just put it through the vacuum test, gas it. Worst case scenario, it will be that the gauges will just sit at 0, and at that point we'll have to pressurize the system with nitrogen and see if there is any leaks. I'm hoping not to have any leaks, purely because Model S's are fitted with 2 condensers behind the bumper, one under the driver's side headlight, one underneath the passenger's headlight, and they are a bit of a nightmare to get to. So fingers crossed, will be a simple regas for you.
Yeah, simple is best for me.
Yeah?
Yeah, we don't want anything over complicated, especially because that's going to hit the wallet, isn't it? And this
yeah.
is supposed to be our affordable project car, so.
Perfect.
But we need to get this aircon done. As I say, we've got a big trip on Saturday. I've got about 300-mile round trip, so.
Perfect sauna.
Perfect sauna.
Barbecued a lot.
Yeah, I do need to lose a little bit more weight. So, right, I'm going to leave you to get cracking on this, and fingers crossed, it's a nice simple job.
Yeah, we shall see the result.
Oh. Please. Testing the aircon. Exciting! Right. Still not ice cold.
Well, what you got is, so we're doing a vacuum and we got a rubber pipe, right? Yeah. So that pipe is going to collapse, right? So we put in a vacuum. Once the pipe is collapsed, obviously it's going to hold that vacuum, isn't it? Until you pressurize it, and if there is a leak, then the vacuum is irrelevant, isn't it?
My first area, I had it gassed at quick fit because my local place said, "Oh, we won't gas it." But
When you walk into a conversation, you have no idea what they're talking about. But he's just told me there's no leak, which is brilliant. And now he's going to do a couple of other tests Fingers crossed it might just need refilling. I mean, it probably hasn't been done since the car was purchased, so he's my man. Okay, so we found out there's no leak in the system, so we're going to regas it, but he did just tell me that it could potentially be the compressor. So the old owner might have had this particular test done, took all the gas out, found out it's the compressor, and then just thought, I'm not going to do that and I'll sell it to me. So got everything crossed that it's not the compressor, and then we can just regas it, jump in the car and get on our way, because I still need to detail this before we leave tomorrow morning.
One step back.
It's a bit noisy.
Don't know what's going to happen here, but we're all pretty nervous because, can you hear that?
It's doing stuff.
We've got pressure, and it's making a lot of noise, so we're going to just put a hand in here and see if we've got a little bit of cold air. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think we've cracked it. That's definitely the coldest this car's been since I've purchased it, so that's definitely a plus.
That's for everyone.
Plus, the main man himself.
You won't be barbecuing. There you go.
Oh, this is brilliant. Fixed it.
Fixed it. It's done.
It's brilliant. I can't believe it.
You're not cooking anymore.
I'm not
It gets
cooking.
cold.
I'm
It's
not
all right
cooking.
then.
It's
It's a
not-
winner.
Perfect. Well, just let us know. What did you do? What was the issue?
Well, so the air conditioning system had no gas, obviously. So we put nitrogen through it, pressurized with nitrogen, see if there was a leak. There was no leaks. So we done the vacuum test, 20 minutes, and then just regassed it and job done.
Voila.
It's most likely that it's never been regassed all our life. It's not the first that we see. The compressor's a bit noisy, as you
Just a little bit.
only a little bit, but apart from that, it's done, and it gets cold in
We've got
there,
some
so
cold air
that's
going
all right.
out. That's what we needed.
You're not
Perfect.
barbecuing.
No, we're not barbecuing. Right, so thank you for that.
That's right.
Let everyone know, how can we find you if someone's got a Tesla problem or any other EV problem?
Any other EV problem, you simply go on Google, type in DB Car Doctor. You can find us on our website, www.dbcardoctor.co.uk. There is different sections on there for EVs and hybrids. You just fill in the form. That gets sent straight to me, and I'll reply as soon as I can.
Yeah, he was proper quick actually. Yeah, it was like about 12 hours. And
No,
now
it was a
you're-
couple of months. It was a couple of months.
He's all booked out. No, don't come.
Don't come in.
I need to bring this back for some more work. But yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
It's great. And yeah, now let's go and hit the road with some aircon.
Some aircon. Have fun.
Right, we're back home and I'm having to shout over the hurricane of cold air blowing on me. Let me turn this off. Honestly, I'm so happy. We've got aircon back in the Tesla. Big shout out to Danny at DB Car Doctors for getting me in and sorting me out pretty quickly. Thankfully for me, maybe not for the drama of YouTube, it was a simple fix. It just needed regassing. There was no leaks and no other issues, which is really, really a good thing, because usually you take it into a garage and there's a million different problems. Yeah, really happy about that, and it's come just in time because we're off to the Tesla owners supercharged event tomorrow, where we'll be taking this car on track. That's right, they've got a little track mapped out, so we get to see how this car performs 0 to 60 and at high speeds into corners. I'm not holding my breath though, because I'm not sure what the brakes are like. The tyres are, and obviously we've got bog standard suspension on here, but I think it gives us a good benchmark at where this car is at and where we need to improve it. So to catch that video and lots more like it, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up and a comment on this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.